Set outcomes for your team, but don't try to control how they achieve the outcome. I often hear creatives talking about when they communicate a task with a team member, that team member doesn't quite do it the way they want. And one of the biggest shifts that I feel you will benefit from is by stop trying to control the way something is done. Just communicate the outcome you'd like to achieve. As creatives, we can often have issues with control and wanting to control everything. But if you want to scale your business and you want to expand and do more of the fun stuff, you have to trust your team to do the work you set in a way that works for them. And you also have to understand that they may not do it exactly how you want it, but you ideally want to be giving them 10% of instruction, let them do 80% of the work, and do 10% of course correction at the end. That's the really healthy way to manage your team.